Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You gotta watch ahead of you though, okay? Here we go. Whoops, we're in reverse. Let's drive. All right, now watch ahead. You gotta watch what's in front of you. Otherwise we're gonna break something. Okay, and keep us in between there. Can you drive? You're all right, I'm driving. Is it too fast? Okay.
No.
Keep us in between the two lines, because this isn't a video game. Oh, yeah. There we go, see? Look at that! Now watch, you gotta watch what's ahead. Always watch the road. Always watch, turn a little bit. There you go. Look at you.
I want you to drive now.
No, you drive.
I'm
You're
helping.
driving. I'm helping. Okay, now we're at the end of the driveway, so I don't think it's probably a good idea for you to be up here. Can you get in the back? And then I'll turn around. Hi! Give me a kiss. Love you.
Where's the button?